Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI features for custom fields. This powerful capability allows you to leverage artificial intelligence to automatically populate field values in your projects, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your workflow. Let's walk through how to set this up and start using it effectively. First, head over to app.asana.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the project where you'd like to implement AI-powered custom fields. You can find your projects either from the home screen or by clicking on the projects list in the sidebar. Select the project you want to work with to open it up. Now look toward the upper right corner of your project screen and click on the Customize button. This opens up your project customization options. From here, click the Add drop-down menu and select Field. This is where you'll create the custom field that will utilize Asana's AI capabilities. Once you're in the field creation area, navigate to the Fields with AI Studio tab. This is the specialized section where Asana's artificial intelligence features come into play. You'll see several recommended fields that Asana suggests based on common project needs. For this example, let's select the priority field, which is incredibly useful for helping AI determine task importance automatically. Here's a neat feature you might want to use. If you'd like to give the AI more context about how to handle this field, you can add guidance for AI. This essentially teaches the AI to make smarter decisions based on your specific project requirements. Once you've added any guidance you want, click Save Guidance to store those instructions. Now it's time to test your new AI-powered field. Go ahead and add it to a task in your project. When you click on the field options, you'll notice there's an autofill field value option that features the AI capability. Select this and watch as Asana's AI analyzes your task and automatically suggests the appropriate value based on the task's content and context. If you want to see what's happening behind the scenes or make adjustments to how the AI works, click the Customize button again. This time select Rule from the menu, and you'll see a rule that was automatically created by Asana AI. Clicking on it will show you exactly how the AI is processing information and making its decisions. You can tweak these rules to better fit your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.